Hello, welcome to the Chakra Rainbow, all about the chakras. My name is Kelly Wild, and today we will be learning the basics about the chakra system, how the chakras function, and why it's important to actively care for our chakra health. The word chakra comes from the Sanskrit language and can be translated to wheel. Our chakras are essentially small wheels of spinning energy that generate, receive, and disperse energy throughout the body, the energetic space around the body, known as the aura, and beyond out into the world. The chakras help us to send and receive energetic messages and act as the meeting points for the meridians in the physical body. Meridians are like the energetic highway of the body and carry energy throughout. There are 7 main chakras held within the physical body. These are the root, sacral, solar plexus, heart, throat, third eye, and crown. The root chakra lies at the base of the spine in the area of the perineum. The Sanskrit name for the root chakra is Muladhara. Its color is red, its sound is Lam. Its element is earth, and its planet is Mercury. It is our center for stability, security, home, family, connection to the earth, trust, and self-preservation. It is our center of foundation. The second chakra is the sacral chakra. It is located below the belly button in the area between the pubic bone and the navel. The Sanskrit name for the sacral chakra is Svadhisthana. Its color is orange. It resonates to the sound of Vam. Its element is water, and its planet is Venus. It is our center for creativity, sensuality, sexuality, life energy or prana, passion, and fertility. It is our center for creation. The third chakra is the solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra lies in the center of the abdomen just below the sternum where the ribs meet. Its Sanskrit name is Manipura. Its color is yellow, and it resembles a small spinning sun in the center of the body. Its sound is Ram. Its element is fire. Its planet is Mars. It is our center for connection to the self, willpower, self-esteem, personal power, confidence, and self-development. It is our center for the self. The fourth chakra is the heart chakra, or Anahata chakra in Sanskrit. It is located in the center of the chest and resonates with the color of green. Its sound is Yam. Its element is air. The planet is Jupiter. The heart chakra is our center for love of all kinds: compassion, connection to others, empathy, and humanity. It is our center for love. The fifth chakra is the throat chakra, or Vishuddha chakra in Sanskrit. Its color is light blue. It resonates with a sound of Hum. Its element is ether, and its planet is Saturn. It is our center for communication, inspiration, truth, musical talent, intelligence, and wisdom. It is our center for communication. Our sixth chakra is the third eye chakra. Its Sanskrit name is Ajna. Its sound is Sham, and its color is a deep indigo blue. It does not have an element, and its planet is Uranus. It is our center for intuition, dreams, transcendental awareness, and clairvoyance. It is where our sixth sense originates from, and it is our center for intuition. The seventh chakra is the crown chakra, and it is located at the very top of the head. Its Sanskrit name is Sahasrara. Its sound is Om. Its color is purple. It does not have an element, and its planet is Neptune. It is our center for enlightenment, connection to our divine source, spirituality, cosmic consciousness, and self-realization. It is our center for connection to Source. Pictured here are the 7 chakras that we just discussed and their locations within the body. There are also 5 additional chakras located outside the physical body, 4 higher chakras and 1 below. Let's talk about why it's important to take care of our chakra system. When our chakras are balanced and aligned, we feel better energetically, mentally, spiritually, and physically. Our overall health and wellness improves, and we just feel good. Life flows easier. Things seem to happen for us and not to us. The systems of our body function better. We feel happy, content, and at ease. Our energy, stamina, and clarity increase. We can more easily manifest our desires, and we can enjoy life more fully. When we don't actively tend to the wellness of our chakras, they can become over or underactive, clogged up with negative or unhealthy energy. They can become slow and stagnant, and they won't function to their whole potential. This can cause unwanted results both within the body as well as many other areas of our well-being and lives. When the chakras are blocked, unaligned, stagnant, or out of balance, life can feel difficult, blocked, or like you're in a rut. We can often feel tired or feel off. We lack stamina and can get fatigued easily. We may feel emotionally unbalanced. Physical ailments or diseases may appear or get worse. We can lack clarity, focus, or have difficulty making decisions. And we can attract situations or people we don't want or that aren't aligned with our highest good. A few ways you can help to maintain your chakra wellness include chakra meditations, yoga, energy healing or Reiki, chanting the chakra sounds, being aware of each chakra's energy, self-care, eating chakra-supportive foods, and breath work or pranayama. If you're interested in learning more about the chakras and how to work with the chakra system, I invite you to check out my live online chakra wellness workshop coming up soon. In this one-day workshop, we will focus on subjects like everyday chakra care, how to use healing crystals with the chakras, aromatherapy and essential oils for the chakras, chakra-supportive foods, and more. Each class participant will also receive a personal chakra card reading to see what their own chakras are saying. And we will also learn some meditations for cleansing, clearing, rebalancing, and aligning the chakra system. To reserve your spot in this fun and informative chakra workshop, please visit the workshop event page on the Kelly Wild Wellness Facebook page, or direct message me for more details or to make a payment arrangement. Hope to see you there! This has been a presentation of Kelly Wild Wellness. Please follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more wellness classes, courses, workshops, and retreats. Thank you for joining me. Wishing you wellness.